name's Darren. Normally I'd say, welcome to my workshop, but I'm not in my workshop at the moment. I'm actually in my study. And this is my new 3D printer. Nothing to do with woodwork, you think, but it has, that's why I bought it. So let me show you a couple of things. So one end fits into the K5 like so, and the little ridges that occur naturally from 3D printing actually help make it stay in a bit better, give it a bit more grip, which is good. And then we take the Festool hose, like so, and that just slides over the end. So there we go. A lot of things you can do with a little 3D printer, so hopefully I'll find some more uses around the workshop for it. While I designed this adapter for the K5 jig to fit the Festool hose, you're not limited to things you design yourself. In fact, there's a few websites about with a heap of things. There's one called Yegi.com, which is a search engine for 3D prints, which points you most often to a site called Thingiverse and a few others. But anyway, I was able to download some very interesting things for use around the workshop, like these MFT3 table dogs, bench dogs, which fit very nicely. And they're very strong too. So they're going to be quite handy. And being plastic, it won't matter if I hit them with a plane or something like that. Not like the Path dogs being steel. You don't want to hit one of those with your favourite plane. And I also printed up a set of these centre finders for finding the centre of narrower pieces of stock. So quite often you have these sorts of things, Lee Valley make them and so on, Veritas, but they're always a bit bigger, they're not so great for narrow stock. Now these ones, being very small, oops, let me move that out of the way, are great for finding the centres of smaller pieces. Like so. Right down to the extremely narrow, like this edge here. Voila. So quite handy indeed. So there's a whole stack of things you can print on a 3D printer that'll come in handy around the workshop. That's just a quick look at what I've done with the printer in the last few days since I got it. Now I'm going to go on and see if I can do other things like make router templates and various other attachments for things, tool storage and so on around the workshop. So I'll introduce those as they come about. All right, hope this has been some help. Have a great day. See you later.